Okay, welcome to Vedic Astrology once again. This is your reading, Earth Trine for August 2023. I am coming once again to you with my Lenormand pack, and as I always tell you, please understand this is a general reading. It is not specific to you as a person. It is targeted towards a group where energies are aligned, where energies feed one another, they deal with one another, they react or make active each other. So this is what the tarot alignment with Vedic astrology is all about. This is what Vedic astrology does, and with Bhagwan's help I am here with you once again, and this is the reading for Earth Trine. And know that Earth Trine, you are Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. And here we have the cards being dealt with from the Lenormand pack, and as you can see, I use the 9 card spread for the past, present and future. And here we have the cards. In the center here we have Coffin, and it carries with it the 9 of Diamonds. And the 9 of Diamonds is all about money, luck, wisdom, enterprise. That's what diamonds is all about. Coffin, though, is all about ending, finality, death. Not in a physical sense, but probably, whatever you may have in terms of financial woes or worries, it's going to come to an end. And this is what this center card is all about. This is what this central 8 coffin with the 9 of Diamonds is telling me for you, Taurus. Just that intuition. And in the past, there was manipulation, there was a bit of luck, but there was also the roots that you held on to, the foundation that you had brought you that luck. It brought you relationships, it brought you love, it brought you money. And the fox, even though people tried, or there were situations where there was manipulation and slyness, because this is the fox, and we all know about this, the fox, things goes wrong. There are issues with the fox. The fox is somebody who's also trying shortcuts to get something out of you that you may not have, that you are manipulated to see a situation in a particular way, want to change your perspective, but your roots grounded you. You had a good foundation, and the love coming from the relationships and the support that you had gave you that little bit of luck. And that little bit of luck probably comes from your spirituality, because 2 is good fortune, the small joys, the opportunities, and you utilize them well. But here now you have abundance. This is the present, and the present is the fish, the coffin and the book. So there are secrets here about money, there are secrets here about finances, but it's all about finances for you in the present, Earth Trine, because we have the King of Diamonds, the 9 of Diamonds and the 10 of Diamonds. And the king, is all about a man who, or some person who is mature, who is well versed in finances, who is competent. The 9 is a good figure in tarot and Vedic astrology. Likewise, the 10, the 10 boils down to 1, yourself. So some secrets about yourself may be coming out here, or people who were talking behind your back, they are now coming out. Those secrets, the knowledge, you are going to get that knowledge, but some things are ending for you. And here I think it's not that it's going to not bring you luck, because these are all diamonds. So in the present here, it's all about money, it's all about finances, and whatever you are worried about, it's going to end, because the fish, number 34, it's all about prosperity, it's all about business, it's all about finances. Likewise, the coffin, it's saying to me, and what I'm reading here is that it's going to end. Your worries and woes about finances, it's going to end, because secrets are going to come out. And this rider is, is news messages. Probably you're going to have visitors arriving for you in the future. The whip is about, you're cutting out something suddenly. Um, at the end of the day, it's a little aggression, a little conflict in the future. The Jack of Clubs here talks about um, a little bit of complications, obligations, responsibilities. So I see this as responsibilities rather than danger, rather than conflict. I see that you still have responsibilities, your news about responsibilities, the anchor grounds you. Because number 35, the anchor is all about stability, long term roots. And you started with roots and you're going to end with stability. So that, that is what these cards are telling me for you, Earth Trine. It's telling me that you had some issues in the past, you had a bit of luck, opportunities came to you, but your family grounded you with their love and support. You were brought to the point where you now may not have to worry about finances because it's all coming to an end. Secrets are going to come out about finances. Maybe your luck is going to change because this card is about prosperity, and it is at the top of what is ending. So prosperity is bringing an end to something because secrets are being withheld or will be shown. And news in the future will bring you a lot of responsibilities, obligations. I'm not seeing this as conflict. I'm seeing it as obligations and responsibilities which will give you stability. So that this is the reading for you for Earth Trine, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. And let us see what the Moon card is saying. And the Moon card is about your mental thoughts, your mental, how your mind works, and what it can do. Because sometimes you have all the resources, but when your mind tells you don't do something, it's like, whoa, wait, let's see what is happening here. Let us understand what is going on. And as I've done before, it's just a random card that I'm going to find here for you or choose, and let us see what it says. And we have the Moon Totem, the oil. A crisis will allow you to look into yourself and make an important revelation. And this is what this grimoire is about. This is what this grimoire is about. It's about secrets. So something will come out and it will allow you to look into yourself, to seek what is important to you, to make that decision. And it's a revelation. So something is going to come out. It's a revelation. And the owl, remember, the owl is all about wisdom. It's all about somebody who has that probably experience, that skill, that ability to do, to listen, to understand that things have to end. But the revelation is here. This is all about this grimoire. So something is going to happen. Some secret is going to come out. Some knowledge is going to come to you. And with the grimoire, we talk about the dark, the occult. Some, as we say in the Caribbean, obia. But it's all about spirits. It's all about spirituality. So look for the guidance from your God, whomever you worship, in whatever way you worship. Seek his mercies, seek his blessings, seek his protection in the present, so that whatever is coming to you, you can deal with it and you can get that stability and root in the future. So this is your reading, Earth Trine, for August 2023 from Vedic Astrology.